Hi friends, Miss Anna from the Child Development Center. Today I'm going to show our graduates how to make a simple graduation cap at home. So, what you're going to need is some scissors. Make sure that your mom or dad are with you. Some crayons or markers. And then you get to choose a glue. Either a hard stick of glue or liquid glue. And 2 pieces of paper. You can see now that I've already cut one of the pieces of paper into a smaller square. This is where you're going to be able to decorate it. So once you've cut it, mom or dad, you can go ahead and share it with your child and they can decorate it the way they want. Alright friends, so after the child has decorated their cap, you can go ahead and put it to the side. Next, we're going to take our big piece of white paper and fold it in half. Then you're going to cut that piece in half along the crease. Then again, you can choose either liquid or stick. I actually prefer stick if you have it. It's a little bit easier and you don't have to wait for it to dry. And put a little bit of glue right on the edge of one of the papers. Then take the second piece of paper and place it on, giving you a nice long rectangle. Let it sit for a minute. Now you're going to take an edge and you're going to fold it just about half an inch, maybe more. You're going to take the scissors and you're going to make small cuts. Make those cuts all the way down where you have folded the paper up. Next, you're going to bring the edges together. Bring that glue. And glue it on. All right. You can go ahead and play with it a little bit, making it kind of into that circle shape that we want. Remember, it doesn't need to be perfect. It's yours to make and your own. Now we're going to take our artwork piece that your child has decorated. Flip it upside down. Now take the band, fluff up those little pieces if you need to, and I'm going to take the liquid glue for this part and put a little bit of glue all the way around. Now, place your cap and push down on those tabs. And voila, you have your very own graduation cap. All right, friends. friends, so now we've made our graduation cap. If you have any questions, just have Mom or Dad reach out to Miss Anna through email or to Miss Irma, and I'll go ahead and help you out. I hope you enjoy and have fun making your cap. Bye!